In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Card Not Added error. First, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version since Apple Pay may not work properly on older software. Next, check that you're signed in to the correct Apple ID and that iCloud is turned on for wallet in your device settings because Apple Pay relies on iCloud to sync cards. Then, ensure you have a stable internet connection and try adding the card again, carefully entering the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address exactly as they appear on your bank records. If the error still appears, restart your device and try adding the card again through the wallet app or, if available, directly through your bank mobile app. You should also connect your bank or card issuer to confirm that the card is active, supported for Apple Pay, and not blocked for security reasons, as they may need to approve the card manually. So that's it.